So welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I thought I would bring you guys along as I test out some tools I've seen people use when cutting specifically fur fabric, right? Because there is a way that way you don't have a bunch of like the little fibers shredding everywhere and you don't get this ugly cutting like this, right? But anyways, okay, so the first thing is you're gonna be cutting from the back side, okay? And right now I'm tracing the pattern pieces with a Sharpie onto the fabric, okay? Again, on the back side. So here's the fur and this is the back, okay? And the two tools that I've seen some people use is, the first one is the X-Acto knife, okay? And then the second one is this one called the moon knife, something like this. I got this from Amazon and already owned one of these, so we're gonna try both of these and kind of see which one I prefer. But yeah, let me just quickly finish tracing the vest onto the fabric. Knife, I didn't really see a specific way you're supposed to cut it. I just saw people just using it, so I guess we're going to cut. Oh, also I did put a cutting mat, okay, to protect my main table. Okay, and then I just saw them, okay, needs more. Kind of like you pull it like that and then remove any little pieces like that. Okay, so here is the first piece. I'm gonna try another piece with the knife, and let's see if I could do it quicker now that I think I kind of got the hang of this. Okay, so here's the second piece, and yeah, just basically just don't be scared of using this, but at the same time just be careful with it. But yeah, I really like this. I just need to get the hang of using this like that. And yeah, that's the second piece. Ahead and cut a couple pieces because, like I said, with this one I think I'm gonna have to just practice and get kind of used to the way it's cutting. I'm gonna go ahead and go on YouTube and watch other people use this if there's a specific way you're supposed to hold it, which I'm assuming there is. But yeah, this knife is called Moon Knife. You can search it up on Amazon, or I'll link mine down below. But yeah, basically these are the three pieces that I cut. Okay, this is the first one that kind of came out a little bit choppy, and the only reason why this matters is if you're using this at the edge, right? This is the bottom part of whatever you're using this for, right? So it does matter to practice and continue, because this is the second one, okay? Not that bad, okay? Only two pieces came out like kind of choppy. And then this is the third piece that I cut that I feel like I kind of got the hang of it. And this is what you want, okay? Especially if you're using these for like leg warmers, you want this like pretty edge on there. So yeah, okay, now let's try the X-Acto knife method and let's see how that turns out. Third thing as well, because I don't really work with fur as often, but another thing you should keep in mind is the way that you're laying the pattern pieces on the fabric. So this fur has this one direction, right? It's going this way, so all the pattern pieces have to face this way, right? Because I realized that when I cut this piece, do you see how this is going down and this is going up? Yeah, we don't want that. We don't want this, we want this. So yeah, I need to recut this piece again. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So yeah, okay, now let me retrace the pattern pieces again. So now we're going to try cutting with the X-Acto knife. I don't know if it's like sharp enough, but let's try it. Okay, so they just were going in trying to get just like the first, so as you can see, right, there's this little layer. You're trying to go through just this specific layer, and again we're going to pull once you cut. But I don't know if my knife is sharp enough though. I don't think my knife is sharp enough. Okay, so mine is not going all the way through. So I think I'm just gonna continue using the other knife, but if you want to try it, let me know if it works for you. But yeah, those were the two tools that I saw people using. So let's try. Oh no, this is way better. And like I said, you're just gonna pull away like that. How the piece turned out, like I told you, I'm slowly getting the hang of using this knife because the bottom looks pretty good. Okay, yay. No, but yeah, again, if you want to try both of these and kind of see which one works for you. Another way that I saw is that yeah, you can still use regular scissors to cut. Okay, so let me quickly show you what I saw people do. And so I drew a circle, and basically they were saying that when you're cutting, try to just cut the little piece as well, like right here, the little layer, and okay, you're gonna start pulling, which seems a little bit more time consuming. So you're gonna start pulling like that. So it is possible to continue cutting with your scissors. It's just, I think it might take a little bit longer because you got to be careful that you're only cutting that first layer and not, right, the whole thing. Okay. And this is how the circle looks. So let me know your thoughts. So yeah, these are the three tools where it is possible to still use the scissors. The knife one, the X-Acto knife, didn't work for me. This one did. I just need to kind of like get used to it. So yeah, that's pretty much it.